Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Canva for your clothing brand. Canva is an incredibly powerful and user-friendly design platform that can transform your brand's visual presence. You can easily create professional-looking assets, from eye-catching logos to engaging social media content, all without needing extensive design experience. It's perfect for small businesses and entrepreneurs looking to establish a strong, consistent brand identity across all their marketing channels. Your brand identity is crucial, and Canva makes it simple to define. Start by designing a distinctive logo that truly represents your clothing line. Then, establish a cohesive color palette and select one or two complementary fonts to use everywhere. Canva's Brand Kit feature allows you to save these elements, ensuring every design, from business cards to hang tags, maintains a unified and professional look. This consistency builds recognition and trust with your customers. Effective marketing is key to growing your clothing brand. With Canva, you can easily design captivating social media graphics to announce new collections or sales. Create stunning website banners that grab attention and professional email marketing templates to connect with your audience. You can even produce short, dynamic video ads, typically under 30 seconds, to highlight your latest apparel and drive traffic to your online store. To elevate your brand further, consider Canva Pro for access to millions of premium stock photos, videos, and design elements. This version also allows for seamless team collaboration, making design projects more efficient. Use the content planner to schedule your social media posts directly, saving you valuable time. Additionally, explore Canva's extensive library of design courses and tutorials to continuously refine your skills and keep your brand visuals fresh.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.